So we are in phase 1 where execution begins to take shape. In our last video, we spoke about how we planned the execution for 40 bank branches. Today we are in execution. We are currently in phase 1 and in this phase, we have executed 3 slots. That's 12 locations across multiple regions in India. This is where execution starts getting real. Execution at scale is never about one location. This location spread across west, east and north. From Delhi, Rajasthan, Punjab to Mumbai, Indore and Bhubaneswar. Multiple cities, multiple teams running in parallel. This is not a single project. This is distributed execution. Execution only works when it is structured. To make this work, we had to structure execution differently. We divided execution into 2 parts: on-site execution and off-site factory execution. On-site included civil readiness, electrical groundwork, coordination. Off-site included furniture fit-outs and prefabrication. Both were running in parallel, not one after the other. Execution speed is not speed, it is coordination. And very early we realized one thing: execution speed is not about working faster, it's about coordination. Factory dispatch and site readiness have to match exactly. If material reaches early, site is not ready. If site is ready, material is delayed. Both creates delays. So execution becomes a coordination problem. Execution at scale needs visibility. Now when you are executing 40 locations, control becomes critical. So we built a central tracker for the client, not for reporting, for complete visibility. For every location, the client could see start date, dispatch date, completion date, closure status, snags, work orders, payments, everything in one place. In fact, the client could review all locations in under 10 minutes because execution at scale needs visibility, not follow-ups. Now let's talk about some challenges that we face. Execution is tested when things don't go as planned, but execution is never perfect. And this phase came with new challenges. Challenges don't delay projects, lack of response does. Challenge 1, owner scope delays. In every location, part of the work was under the owner's scope. In some cases, that work was delayed, which meant we entered the site late, but timelines did not change. No extensions. Challenge 2, due to ongoing crisis, there were logistic delays as well. We also faced transportation challenges, fuel issues, long distance delays, material that should have reached earlier arrived much later. Challenge number 3, material constraints. There were also material level challenges. Certain specifications were dependent on external factors and availability became uncertain. Facing such challenges, how we responded. Execution is defined by how you respond. Now this is where execution gets tested. We didn't slow down, we adapted. We compressed timelines on site, we prepared teams in advance, we ensured site readiness before material arrival. So the moment material reached, installation started immediately. That's called backup thinking. Even for material challenges, we created backup options. We didn't say it cannot be done. We said here are alternatives. So the learning from phase 1. It doesn't build projects, it builds systems. Slot 1 was not just about delivery, it was about building a system. A rhythm between factory, site and coordination. Once that rhythm is set, scaling becomes possible. Execution doesn't stop here, it scales. We are now moving into the next phase. More locations, more complexity. In the next video, we will share how this system performs at a larger scale and what changes when execution expands further. Stay with us.